Good morning, students. In yesterday's video, we have discussed about the rationalization of denominator, and in Google Meet, we have discussed its problem also. Hope you are completing your notes. Now today we are going to start laws of exponents for real numbers. Okay, about laws of exponents in 8th class also you learn. Now in detail we will do this. First law of exponent is a raised to power m multiply a raised to power m. You know this is known as base and this is power. When we are multiplying two numbers with the same base and different power, then we will add the power in multiplication. Okay, so it will become a raised to power m plus n. Here base is same, power is different, both powers will be added. Now let us take an example. For example, we have to multiply 2 raised to power 3 with 2 raised to power 4. Here base is same, so both power will be added. It will be 2 raised to power 3 plus 4, that is 2 raised to power 7. Okay. Now here if in place of multiplication we have division, then powers will be subtracted. It's our second law of exponent. A raised to power n divided by a raised to power n. Base same, power different, we will subtract both powers, a raised to power m minus n. For example, 3 raised to power 5 divided by 3 raised to power 3. Okay, base is same, we will subtract the power, 3 raised to power 5 minus 3, that is 3 raised to power 2. This is second law. Now third law is when we are having base different and same power. Third, a raised to power m multiply b raised to power m. When base is same and power is different, then what we will do? We will multiply both base and power as it is, ab raised to power m. See how a raised to power m, it can be written as a multiply a up to so on. B raised to power m, b multiply b up to so on, m times, and this is also m times. When we are multiplying these two, ab raised to power m, a raised to power m multiply b raised to power m. Here ab multiply ab up to so on m times. In short, we can write ab raised to power m. Okay. Example for third law, 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 3. So here base is different, power is same. Okay, we will multiply both the base. 3 2s are 6, it is 6 raised to power 3. Okay, now last fourth law is when we have given power of a power, a raised to power m and whole power is n. Then how to solve? In this case we will multiply both the powers. It will a raised to power mn. Okay, example 2 raised to power 3 and whole power 2. Now how to solve? We will multiply both the powers. 2 raised to power 3 into 2, that is 2 raised to power 6. Okay, so these are the four laws of exponents. Now come on exercise. Here we will do one example. Suppose we have given here 2 raised to power 2 by 3 multiply 2 raised to power 1 by 3. Okay, I have told you if base is same, power is different and we are multiplying, then both power will be added. It means 2 raised to power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Fraction is given, so for adding we have to take here LCM. 2 raised to power. Now here LCM is 3, 2 plus 1, that is 2 raised to power 3 upon 3. It can be cancelled. 2 raised to power 1, answer is 2. Okay, one more example we will do. 64 raised to power 1 by 2. We have given 64 raised to power 1 by 2 and we have to solve it. Now here power is given in fraction and in denominator we are having 2. Okay, if here 64 it is something raised to power 2, then 2 and 2 can be cancelled. So 64 can be written as 8 square. Okay, and whole power is 1 by 2. Power of power, both power will be multiplied. So 8 raised to power 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, 2 2 cancel, 8 raised to power 1, that is 8. So this is according to fourth law. Okay, similarly many questions are given in the exercise. You will try these questions, and if any doubt is there, then you can discuss with me in Google Meet. Okay, thank you students.